Let's unbox the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. A wide-angle action camera, co-engineered with Leica, offering superior image quality, durability, and ease of use. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, packed with outstanding features. This versatile action camera excels in any setting. Action sports like diving, travel, and even daily life. Today, let me show you what's inside the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 standard bundle. Let's start it with a USB Type-C cable. It also includes some documentations that we love to read, just like the quick start guide. Something you won't miss, we have Insta360 stickers. And of course, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 action camera. This is one of the small cameras in the market, packed with outstanding features. It has a 2.5-inch flip screen, rugged design, and crystal clear audio, which is perfect for your vlogging era. The left side opening of the camera is where you connect the charger and eject the memory card. It supports Type-C cable and micro SD card. In the right side opening, this is where I put the battery. In fact, we already have one inside. But apart from that, we also have an extra battery from the box itself, with no additional charges. Next, we have the standard mount. This accessory secures our camera to any accessory for ultra-stable shots. Before you try it, let's remove this sticker first. Once attached to the camera, it gives you the peace of mind that your camera is secured even if you use it upside down. Next is the mic cap. If you will use the camera underwater, make sure to use a dive case. And before putting the camera inside the dive case, make sure to replace the wind guard to this mic cap. To turn it on, simply long press the power button. Right at the bat, the camera will ask which language you prefer, and from my end, I chose English. You also need to connect your camera to an Insta360 mobile app to fully activate the camera. Once done, the system will walk you through some tutorials on how to use the Ace Pro 2. You will see different shooting modes and camera features by simply swiping the screen from left to right. I also got this Insta360 SD card, which I highly recommend you purchase on the Insta360 website. Although there are so many SD card brands out there, this SD card works perfectly on all Insta360 cameras. You already invested in high quality camera, so make sure to also invest in high quality SD card. If you reached this part of this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you plan to buy Ace Pro 2 or any Insta360 camera, please use my affiliate code INRRP2L. Once again, this is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and this is Mackoy Soliman of Mackoy Vlogs. Subscribe and follow for more Insta360 content.